Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Nancy. Today I am here with my new video which is going to be about is BTR enough for FMG? So without wasting any time, let's talk about BTR. As you all know, Zanna Bora's ma'am BTR videos are really useful and it's really good. Everyone loves them. And first of all, what is BTR? So first of all, I would like to say it's not main video content. It's just like rapid revision. What ma'am has done is that she has concised all the high yield topics and all the must know topics, like these topics without reading and knowing you can't go to exam. It's like that. So she has done all the high yield topics in one place and she has gave the high yield points, only that points which should not be missed. So that way she has made the entire content of BTR in a very concise manner, and it's really good. I mean, I didn't use a lot of BTR videos, but whatever were on YouTube, I did saw them, and they were really good. Like some topics which you'll be feeling it's so hard to learn, she'll make you learn in such a good manner with some mnemonics, some stories that you won't forget it. So it's really good for those topics which are very volatile topics which will tend to forget and it won't be remembered. Some tricks and tips only will make us learn. So that kind of topics are there. So that for that topics it's really good. So according to me, you should be seeing the BTR videos. But if you are thinking that I can just see the BTR videos and do PYQs and I'm done for the exam, so I don't think that also is a good idea. Because BTR is technically rapid revision. I have always been saying just rapid revision is not the main thing, ideal way of cracking the exam. Yeah, just now time is left. Those who are going to do June exam, going to give the exam again, they already know the content, they have already read the main videos. So for them BTR is a good way to go. Okay, they can do BTR videos and rapid revision videos. But if someone is aspirant and they'll take just BTR videos and they'll think I'm going to pass the exam, so it is going to be hard, right? So according to me, what you should be doing, how you should be using BTR video, is that you should at least do your main videos from whatever sources you are doing, whatever subscriptions you are having. Try to complete the main videos once or twice with that, and after that do the BTR video. Who all would be having access to the offline BTR videos of ma'am, like offline BTR sessions of ma'am, so they will be getting booklets from her and you can make your own notes also of the BTR. So if you are having notes of BTR, so what you can be doing is that you should be editing in those BTR notebooks, because main videos are a whole content, right? It's a whole package of each and every topics, but BTR is the package of those topics which are like very 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 important. Without reading that topics, you should not be going to exam. So that topics you can correlate it with your main notes, and you can see that whether ma'am has missed any points or not. It is possible 1 or 2 points would be missing, or according to you those points would be important and it would be a PYQ topics and all. So you can add those points in your BTR notebook and then make it a whole note for revising, so that when the time comes for revision 1 month before exam or 2 months before exam, you don't need to open your main notes, because main notes revising is a big thing, right? Rapid revision notes के notes revise हो सकते हैं, but main notes को खोल के बैठोगे तो like 2-3 notebooks some of the subjects it goes when you start making the notes. So that is little bit hard. So BTR notes can be a whole package. You can add some points, you can add those points which you will tend to forget, which you are doing wrong. So that way you can make the notes, and then that way it is good to go, right? That way you can revise it again and again and again. So that is how you should be using BTR. Yeah, some of them would be who are using just BTR and they are doing their PYQs and everything, so it's working for them. So as I've always said, if it is working for you, don't change your strategy just by my saying or listening to anyone else that BTR is good or rapid revision is good, so we can switch to them. Don't do that. How also you are doing, if it is working for you and your GT marks are going well, you are able to score nicely, you are able to retain the information with you, so it's good for you. Don't change just by listening to others. And don't just go for BTR. That would be my personal recommendation. पहले एक बार ही पढ़ लो सारा कुछ, because if you won't be knowing the entire topic, how are you going to know why the topic is so important? It can have correlations to some other small topics which is needed for understanding the main topic. So that is the thing. Like I'll give you a basic example. अगर तुमने ABCD नहीं पढ़ा and directly तुम्हारे सामने किसी ने apple pronounce करने को बोला, तो that is the thing. So एक बार ही once go through main videos and then go for BTR. That will be the best way of using the BTR, because it's really good if you use it correctly. So that is how. And prepare well. I'll be seeing you in my next video. So that will be all. Thank you so much. All the best.